In French, sustainability often refers primarily to financial issues. For example, the sustainability of debt is both a political and managerial concern. Yet our language also offers a different perspective on sustainability, in the sense of what can be borne or endured. Put this way, it's quite easy to understand the notion of sustainable development as used in English. While the concept has been translated as development durable, sustainable development in French, the notion of organizational sustainability has been emerging over the past few years. It tends to be confused with other aspects such as corporate social responsibility or even social responsibility in general. According to the Cambridge Dictionary, sustainability is the idea that goods and services should be produced in such a way that they do not use resources that cannot be replaced and do not harm the environment. This indeed brings us back to the idea of development that can be supported by societal and environmental limits. The International Organization for Standardization expresses a similar view, defining sustainability as a state in which all environmental, social, and economic systems are able to meet the needs of the present without preventing future generations from meeting their own needs. The sustainability of a country or an organization is therefore the goal of sustainable development. Organizational sustainability is therefore very different from social responsibility, which refers to an organization's responsibility for its decisions and activities and the effects they may have on the environment or on society. Sustainability is a desired state for an organization that requires a long journey, whereas social responsibility is a process that can be legal or managerial. CSR and SR ultimately are simply the expression of a number of initiatives that seek to embody social responsibility. Therefore, it should not be confused with organizational sustainability. In the very specific case of non-profit organizations, which could be generalized to all organizations, research argues for a distinction between the three concepts discussed so far. Sustainability deals with the survival of the organization and its ability to meet stakeholder demands in both the short and long term. Social responsibility, on the other hand, concerns the integration of the previously mentioned issues into the organization's mission and activities. This is precisely what can distinguish it from corporate social responsibility, which could be seen as operational but generic initiatives aimed at addressing societal and environmental challenges.